Hi guys, welcome to my channel O365 Academy. My name is Akash. I'm a Microsoft certified professional and I have been working with Microsoft services since last 10 years. Today, I'm going to show you how you can enable email forwarding for a mailbox in Exchange Online. I'm on my O365 Academy portal. On the left navigation, I will select Admin Center. In the Admin Center, you will need to select Exchange Admin Center. This is how Exchange Admin Center looks like. On the left navigation, under Recipients, you need to select Mailboxes. Now, you need to select the mailbox where you want to enable email forwarding. When you will select the respective mailbox, a slider window will pop up from the right side. Here we have many settings to configure, but we must focus on Manage Email Flow Settings under Mail Flow Settings to enable mail forwarding. Rest all settings have other purposes, which I will cover in my future videos in detail. Now let's click on Manage Mail Flow Settings. Here, on the top, we can edit email forwarding settings. We'll click the Edit button, turn this option on, and then a text box like this will be visible to you. You need to put the email address of the recipient who should receive the forwarded email from the mailbox. For the demo purpose, I will put my admin account in the forwarding address box. Then I will save it, and as per the information, we should wait for 5 minutes for this to work. Now I will go to my Outlook. For the testing purpose, I'm going to send an email to the mailbox for which we just configured the email forwarding settings. In the To field, I will select Financial Report Mailbox. I'll keep the subject as test email and then send it. If I check my sent items, I can see the email is sent to Financial Report Mailbox. Now I'll go to Financial Report Mailbox and will check if it has received the email or not. As expected, I don't see any email here. It should be redirected to the configured forwarding address, which is my admin account. So let's go back to the Outlook and check if we are going to receive the email there or not. As expected, I received the test email. So that's how we configure email forwarding in Exchange Online. I hope you liked it and it helped you to learn something new today. You can also let me know in comments if you have any doubts. I'll for sure answer it as per my best knowledge. Once again, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, and if you want to keep up with all latest quick tip videos that I'll keep releasing, subscribe to my channel. So we'll meet again in my next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.